stars take breaks just to shine. You're already enough just as you are. You don't need to chase a distant star. In your silence there's a spark. You're the light in the dark. Every scar is proof you've grown. You're not lost, you've just outgrown some old dreams, and that's okay.